Hey guys, my name is Nkato and you're watching BlazeTechnica. In this video, I will be doing a gaming test on the Samsung Galaxy M20. It comes with Exynos 7904 processor, so let's see how this phone handles a graphic intensive game like PUBG. If you want to know more about this phone, I have made a video about it, so do check that out as well. So now, let's get started. If you end up liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Let's change the graphic settings to HD and frame rate to high. Okay, so let's now start the game. On HD graphics settings, I noticed some lag. Also, there were some frame drops. So now I have changed the graphics settings to smooth. Let's see how is the gameplay. So after playing PUBG for 20 minutes, the back of the phone got slightly warm, but it's not very hot. So as you have seen, the gaming experience on this phone was not very good. Yes, you can play PUBG, but you will notice some minor frame drops here and there while playing. So if gaming is high on your list of priority, then you should consider some other phones like the Zenfone Max Pro M2 or the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then give this video a like and subscribe to BlazeTechnica for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is me, Nkato, signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one.